Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to add audio to your video, and how to add fade to your video and audio. So first, import your audio. This will be my audio. Alright, now add it to your timeline, also known as the editor. Now we got it. But you may notice the audio is way too long to the video. So what we are going to do to fix it is to get to the end of the audio and drag it until it reaches wherever you want it to end. Now it is good. Now let's add fade effect to it so it will be more smooth. Go to Effects. Now go to Transitions, Audio. Now drag the fade effect to the beginning and the ending of the audio. Now, do the same for the video. Spectacular. Good job, human. Please like if this helped you and subscribe if you want to see more.